Welcome back. Life-saving help for accidental overdose victims, now one step closer to a pharmacy checkout counter near you. The FDA recently approved the first overdose-reversing drug, Narcan, for sale over the counter.
Experts and health professionals say it is a game changer. Ramey Cohen is in studio to explain what that easier access could mean for folks right here in Central Georgia.
Yes, Frank and Lori, last year Macon Recovers says it lost a dozen people to drug overdose deaths. That's according to Trip Talley, the Macon Recovers program director, who's dealt with addiction firsthand. He hopes easier access to reversal drugs can cut fatal drug overdose numbers in the future.
Realizing the things that I went through, I thought I had to go through them alone, and I realized that I didn't. And it's like today, I don't want people to feel alone with what they're going through.
Last year in the U.S., opioid overdoses, including drugs like fentanyl, killed more than 100,000 people.
Fentanyl, for example, in them, we're fighting this invisible enemy. I want them to know that there's people who care, there's people that want to support them and, walk alongside them through the process.
Currently, if people want Narcan, they must go to the pharmacy. Talley says that process can take a few hours. He's witnessed 2 overdoses, one without Narcan and one with.
Talking about life and death, there's nothing scarier than seeing somebody, foaming at the mouth or not breathing, gray-colored skin.
He says once folks can purchase the overdose-reversing drug over the counter, he's worried about supplies keeping up with the demand, and he's concerned about the cost.
We know that the situation is just getting worse. And that's why, as a community, with our organization, the awareness, the education, and getting Narcan out into the community is so important.
And he's hoping that the accessibility of over-the-counter Narcan doesn't make it harder for nonprofit organizations to find it.
You have some people who seek out things like fentanyl, but you have a lot of people who aren't seeking it out. And it's ending up in their drugs, and they're taking it, and they don't even know that they're taking it. So the Narcan can give somebody a second chance at life.
Macon Recovers has Narcan available at no cost for the people they serve and their families. Talley says he hopes in the future that every hotel, restaurant, any place that is high risk for an overdose has Narcan on hand to save lives.
All right, thanks very much, Ramey. There is still some confusion about next steps. First, the FDA says it's looking to work with sponsors besides Narcan to look at approving other naloxone products over the counter. So Narcan may not have a monopoly for all of that long. The future over-the-counter price of Narcan, well, that's still unclear. Right now, it's selling for $65 to $75 per dose with a prescription. While the overdose reversal drug isn't available over the counter yet, pharmacies like Walgreens say they hope to make the spray available later this year.